Hi friends, we all love to hear stories. Today I am going to share with you a small story that inspired us to start an event like Skill Quest. A young man one evening during 1995 walked into our office. He said, "Can you give us a scholarship? We are a batch of students just passing out of the college. We want to get employed, but we don't have right skills. Wherever we go for interview, we are not getting selected. At the same time, we don't want to go back ask our parents for additional money. Can you give us a scholarship? As a group of people, we want to join for a course with you." That triggered an idea of giving a scholarship every year during December and January. Almost at half the price, they would be able to get skilled, get ready for an employment. We invite you to be part of the Skill Quest 2022, and we want to give the scholarship as the New Year gift for each one of you aspiring to get employed in a reputed organization.